We're doing it on Omega. This is just one duel, but if you are playing ranked and it freezes, log out and then go back online, and you should be in a duel. If not, then well, normal, activate, special. This guy's a tuner. Going to Yugioh, Ty's gonna dump the blackout. Yugioh's gonna add the blackout. I wanted to set the blackout, so I bought prosperity. I did 3. See, with this deck does not have the side deck doesn't have. Who doesn't have? Draco Berserker of Tenyi. What else? There was one more card, I think. What was that one more card? Yeah, I think that's it. Another long discard long. And a Baron. It takes 6. Whoa. Monarchs Stormforth. During this turn, if you tribute a monster for a tribute summon, you can tribute one monster your opponent controls, even though you do not control it. You can only activate one Monarch Stormforth per turn. During the turn you activate this card, you cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck. He doesn't even have an extra deck. Domain of the True Monarchs. Well, you have no cards in your extra deck, and you are the only person that controls a tribute summoned monster. Your opponent cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck. If a tribute summoned monster you control attacks an opponent's monster, it gains 800 attack during the damage calculation. Once per turn, you can reduce the level of one monster with 2800 attack, 1000 defense in your hand by 2 until the end of this turn, even after they are summoned, set, and even if this card leaves the field. Okay, I'm gonna have to negate that. Yugioh, negate Baron because it already activated its effect, banishing blackout. Blackout, if it gets banished, plus summon a tuner token, and then he used Stormforth. He tributed Baron for Kurez. When this card is normal or special summoned, you can target up to 2 cards on the field, destroy those targets, and if you do, each player can draw 1 for each of the cards they control that was destroyed by this card effect. This card cannot attack during the turn. It is normal summon or special summon. So he's gonna pop these 2. What is it? Pop? Destroy, yeah. And perm. Okay. March of the True Monarchs. Tribute summon monsters you control cannot be destroyed by card effects. Also, neither player can target them with card effects. You cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck. So, I have to chain it with the blackout. Because if I didn't chain it now, then I can't destroy them. Tribute summon monsters. Blackout, pop and pop and pop. Ooh, that's why it didn't activate, because the imperm column negated. I can't even say this word. Panthenist of the Monarchs. Send one Monarch spell or trap from your hand to the graveyard. Draw 2 cards. You can banish this card from your graveyard. Reveal 3 Monarch spell trap cards from your deck. Your opponent chooses one for you to add to your hand and shuffle the rest back to your deck. You can only use this effect of once per turn. Oh, he gets the banish effect though. Banish effect, and he revealed. What did he reveal? There it is. Domain, don't want him to get that or that. So I got him. Tenacity of the Monarchs. Drew the droplet, just attack, set the drop. Tenacity of the Monarchs. You could reveal. Wait, reveal one monster from your hand with 2400 attack and 1000 defense, or 2800 attack and 1000 defense. Add one Monarch spell trap from your deck to your hand, except this card. You can only activate once per turn. Mobius, the Mega Monarch. And you got Stormforth. What? Okay, Stormforth. He's going to. This guy. Wait a minute. Mobius needs. Guy needs. How many is he? He's at level 8. It would need to do 2. That's why he couldn't do it. I was debating to normal summon Veiler, go into Verte, and then Enforcer, but I did not. Yugioh, the Heavenly Squire. If this card is normal or special summoned, you can special summon one monster with 800 attack and 1000 defense from your deck in defense position, except Yugioh, the Heavenly Squire. Also, you cannot special summon monsters from the extra deck for the rest of the turn. If this card is sent to the graveyard, you can target one of your banished Monarch spell trap, add it to your hand. You can only use each effect of Yugioh, the Heavenly Squire, once per turn. Negated. Yugioh, banish, blackout, negate, blackout, special summon token, and he surrendered. Let's duel wins. He surrenders the whole thing. That's why there's only one. Does he have a deck? No, he doesn't. Okay, this is kind of messed up right here. Way before, we were at 1286, and then I went to a ranked match. It froze. I closed the game, opened the game, went back online. The game was already in progress. I lost. It was only game 1. I thought, okay, maybe I could come back. The game ended after game 1. I lost that one, and that was 1262, and I won. Now we're at 1282, still at 264. Comment, share, like if you sub, if you liked it. See you guys.